Oh my god. I can't believe this. I did this. I can't. What? Like, what, girl? This is beautiful. What are you talking about? Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ipheey here today. If this is your first time stopping by my channel and you watch this video and you really enjoy it, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and please kindly share to your friends and family if you enjoy my video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a high puff. This is my first time of trying it because I'm going to be using gel. You see, this is my go-to style. This is the first time I'm trying to use gel on my hair. I hate gel, but then I'm just going to try it because I've seen a couple of people use these gels and they got good results. So today I want to try and see if I'm going to get a good result. To make this high puff of mine, I got some things from the market that I believe is going to work for me. So the gel I'm going to be using is the mini Moko hair gel, the Gorilla Snot Gel. I got the small one because I don't want to risk buying the big one that at last when I use it is not going to fit my hair. So I'm going to be trying this for this video today, and I'm also going to be using my favorite hair wax. It works very well for my edges, Echo Styler Gel. I'm also going to be making use of the Echo Styler Gel. So these are the three gels I'm going to be making use of. I hope they work for me. I'm going to be needing my water. You know why we need water? Because I'm on 4C and my hair is very thick. If I don't make use of water, my hair is not going to lie down. So I need every size of comb I can get for cutting, for detangling. I'm going to be using my Mamiya Organics oil as well to moisturize my hair with the water before I use the gel on my hair, so that the gel doesn't affect my hair in any way. So I have my old toothbrush for my edges. I have my silk scarf, you all know it. I'm also going to be making use of this very thick brush. I think they call it Denman Brush. I got this for about 700 naira. So I'm going to make use of it since my hair is very thick. I need something to help me lay down my hair. My favorite leave-in conditioner, Cantu. I'm going to be making a little use of it. If I have time, I might be doing this kinky. Is it kinky? So if there's time, I'm going to be using this. I'll just mount it on whatever I'm going to do on my hair. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen my hair. I'm using shoelaces. Rubber band is not good. Even Ouchless band doesn't work for me. They always break or cut anytime I used to pack my hair. So I prefer using shoelace so that I can tie it to how tight or how loose I want my hair to be. I'm going to start off by spraying my hair with water. Try not to make it too wet. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to be applying a very little amount.
Just going to apply it. Guys, my hand is beating because I've never done this before and I hate gel. So I'm just going to apply it like this.
Having done that, I'm going to go in with my Mamiya Organics growth oil. And it's very thin, so that's why I like using it. It's very, I like call it silky. It's not as thick as castor oil. So guys, I'm done moisturizing, pouring water, rubbing oil, rubbing everything. I think I'm going to go in with my Detangling toothbrush.
I'm just going to I'll just try and, you know, make my hair maybe puffier or whatever. I'm going to comb it out. Like so. When I'm done combing out my hair, I think the
next gel I'm going to use is the Echo Styler Gel. I think this one is professional styling gel. So I'm going to make use of this yellowish. I think we all know this yellowish one. I don't know why there are other colors anyways. I feel like they do the same thing. So I'm going to use this gel. Guys, do you see? I don't even feel like my hair is like I pray today doesn't end up in disaster. Okay, I don't see my hair lying down, but not so soon. So I'm just going to use my Echo Styler Gel in on my hair at the front and at the back, and just my hair is laying down. don't even know. Guys, what can you see? Is it working? Okay. When I'm done with my Eco Styler, I'll just divide my hair into two. Use gel at the front, then use gel at the back, then bring them together. This one is out of my way. Let's work with the back. I'll go in with my Eco Styler gel again. It's time to use my Gorilla Snot Gel. I don't know how it works, but why is it looking yellow? I thought gels are supposed to be transparent. Okay, I'm just going to work with this. So we're just going to come to the front and do the same. My hair has dried a little bit, so I'm going to spray with water again. I'm going to spray with water again, and I'm going to go in my snot again. I think this gel is going to finish today. Pack everything together, and I'm going to use my shoelace. I'm going to go in with my hair wax. I hope it works, because I like using this hair wax because I don't think I've seen any gel that makes my hair lie down like this hair wax. So I'm going to use a little bit of it. I'm just going to use my hand and take a little of it. So guys, after all my drama of rubbing the gels and whatnot, I'm going to use my favorite Batman satin scarf. You already know. This should help me to relax the gel and make it like to lie down, lay down, or whatever. While my hair is resting, I'm just going to come in with my crochet braid. I normally admire people when they do this like at the tip of their hair. So I'm just going to remove all this. Guys, I hope you're enjoying my video. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. It's not bad to try. Today I decided to try my own. I've been seeing other YouTubers doing it, but I'm like, I don't think this is gonna work for me with the way my hair is full. But then I saw other YouTubers, their hair were full. I was like, what do you think you have on your head? Those people that have more than you. Two, I don't know if I'm working with the both of them, but I think I'm working with the both of them. I'm not going to remove the rubber band that came with it. And at the same time, I'm not going to use it on my hair. What I'm just going to do is, I'm just going to put the two together. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I'm just going to put the two together like this. The band, you know. And I'm just going to, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So see how it looks at the other side. I'm just going to pass it through. See, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So it's almost like I tied it. This is how it's going to look. Oh, amen. Wow. I'm just going to walk in with my I already have a puff So I'm just going to look for a way to shrink. Crochet above it like this. So as if I'm trying to pack my hair, just going to go in twice. This thing is not cut. Just going to go in. So guys, you see that after I've put it, it's still showing, my hair is still appearing here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to separate it. I'm just going to under.
I'm just going to go under again and come over like this.
So I'm going to use my bobby pins to hold whatever is not held down well. Hold them down. I'm just going to use my bobby pins to hold them down. I like too much. So I think this is okay. For my edges, I'm making use of these two gels, my wax and my echo. They work hand in hand for me. Water is like my lifesaver. It saves me a whole lot. So the first gel I'm going to use is my Echo Styler gel. It's like a foundation, like the foundation before I now put the real.
So I'm just going to bring out a bit of my hair. Like so, okay. A little bit from this side too. See, it's not even laying anything though. I just like using it before I use my wax. This side too. And do the foundational layer or whatever I call it.
So this is not what I want yet, but I'm not going to use my wax to lay it down very well. Can you see how thick the hair wax is? I don't even really know how to do edges, but I just have to do something. So you see that one, like so. Anyhow works for me. Most of the time I lay my edges 2 times, because after I do the first one, it doesn't lie very well. So I just do the first. So when I'm done with this first one now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my satin scarf. I'm going to tie it upon the edges I've laid. Please, you need to give me a thumbs up. This is the first time I'm trying this. The first time I'm trying this. I did good. Let's back to my edges. After a while, I'm just going to so when I take off the scarf, you see that it is laid a little bit. Like it has helped me to lay my hair down a little. I'm going to lay my edges again. This time it's going to be easier. Just see that? It's going to be way easier. When it's not laying, I just double the gel, I add more. So you see, when I add more, it lays by force. By fire, by force. Lays by force. So
yeah. That looks good. I love it. And I go to the other part too, and I just lay it down like.
So anytime I feel like it's not very well laid, I just go back and I lay it again and again and again until I get what I want.
Just watch me. So I'm going to lay it again. This time around, it's quite dry. So I'm going to use it on top of it again, so it's dry very well. That's why I like this gel. Like, it's still my best. It's still my best. I started
using it like in the year I think 2018, when one of my good friends, Winnie was the one that recommended this for me, because I made use of this olive gel. It left my hair so white. I was like, okay, I just concluded that, okay, I think it's all the gels that does it, or maybe my hair is not in this world. Maybe my hair belongs to another one. And again, guys, I am going to go back to my scarf and I'm going to tie it down again. So guys, after like 5 to 8 minutes, not really up to 10, I will just remove my satin scarf. Voila. So guys, see that? Give me a clap for me, clap for me, clap for me. If I want, I can just, oh my God, girl, you're good. So guys, thank you so much for being with me to the end of this video. every YouTuber out there that is trying to make it using myself as a point of contact. I pray that God answers all our prayers and help us to reach the level of Dima, healthy Afro hair, Igbo curls. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your encouragement. Guys, if you enjoy my video, why don't you hit the subscribe button, and guys, please, if you have anything to tell me about this my look, if I didn't do well, please just tell me so I'll know what I want to go and do. Let me know whether I want to buy gel of like 10k. Maybe I'll buy gel of 10k and I don't know how I'm going to do it. But guys, please, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, please give me a thumbs up. And if there's any video you want me to release that I've never spoken about, even if I don't know about it, please just tell me. For your sake, I'll go and read it and I'll do something about it. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Everyone trying to achieve something in life, let's be patient, let's believe in God, and let's just know that we can't know everything completely. We can only know in parts, and in this life, it's step by step. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.